Monica here with all of our friends from the center, and today we're going to make popsicles. We're going to make fruit mango, banana, and pineapple popsicles. Okay? And our friends Lexi and Ella here are going to dump our yogurt in. So can you guys squeeze our yogurt in there? Squeeze it all in there. All right. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, Otto, can you dump our mango chunks in there?
Can you do it?
All right. And Colin, can you dump our bananas in there?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, friends. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and blend it. You're going to help me pour. So this is kind of the texture you're looking for. And we were supposed to have coconut milk, but we substituted it for water because we couldn't find it. But yeah, it works just the same. So can you help me pour this in here? Can you grab it right here? Whoa.
Ew. That's a lot.
Ew. They're going to be delicious.
Yum. I'm gonna try.
All right.
That's
Thank you, Trinity.
I'm gonna try.
Okay. And we got our friend Ronnie here, and our friend Ronnie's going to help us pour it.
Yummy. Put your head down. Don't be down in.
Is it heavy, Ronnie? No? All right.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's okay. All right, and then our last friend here, Andrew. He's going to help us pour. Ready, Andrew?
I got it in my hands. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, that's okay. Those.
All right. And then when you're done pouring them in, go ahead and put them in the freezer till they're set, which is probably about 3 hours. And if your fruit is a little sour, you can add a little bit of honey for sweetness. And that's it. Hi friends, we just wanted to show you the end result of our popsicles after leaving them in there for about 3.5, 4 hours. And this is what they should look like. And if you go ahead and run your popsicle molds under some warm water for a couple seconds, they should easily pull out. Thank you.